What is going on? We are back to Dana Point. If you missed the previous home tour, make sure you check out the link in the description. We toured a home very similar to this one earlier. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom manufactured home, but this has different options than the link in the description. This home was built by Silvercrest. It's approximately 1,300 square feet. Just over. We have this beautiful half factory built front porch. It's about 5 feet deep. This is a great manufactured home option if you have private land or if you're looking to trade in your old mobile home for a brand new one. We premier brand new manufactured home tours, tiny home tours, and mobile home tours on a weekly basis. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring that bell to be notified when we premiere new tours. We also appreciate all the love you can give by hitting that like button. Let's get started and tour this brand new Silvercrest in Dana Point, California. Dana Point, California is one of the most desired beach cities in the state of California. Dana Point is new, up and coming, has delicious restaurants. There's some of the best restaurants in Orange County. We're very close to the 5 freeway, less than a mile from the beach, the Dana Point Harbor, restaurants, shopping, and so much more. You could live in this beautiful all-age manufactured housing community for less than $4,000 per month. We are surrounded by homes in communities with multi-million-dollar homes. Let's go take a look, starting with the exterior of this home. This home does have good curb appeal. We stuck with the vertical standard siding. We have this beautiful half factory built front porch. And as you go up to the top, check out those 12-inch eaves, or some people call them hoods. We added the shutters over here on this window. Tell us what you think about these colors. What color would you want the body of your home to be, and what color would you want the trim to be? These are nice earth tone colors. Now let's go inside this beautiful Silvercrest manufactured home. As we're walking up this porch, check out the gray Trex decking. You do have different color options. Trex decking is a lot more durable and a lot less maintenance than wood. All of our factory built front porches do have Trex decking. If you're new to our videos, make sure you watch other homes. You're gonna know that I'm a huge fan of these open floor plans. This is a great size living room area. You can easily fit a large flat screen TV on this wall, a nice sectional sofa. You could have your friends and family over for some football games or baseball games. Go Angels. And check out this flooring. This flooring is a different color option than we've gone with previous homes. I love it. In the comment section, rate this floor from 1 to 10. 1 being your least favorite, 10 being your most favorite. I love it. It's a nice change from the gray flooring that you see in a lot of homes today. Now this is a very similar kitchen to the home we toured with a link in the description, but there are some differences. You could see over here, we don't have a box bay. In the link, the home does have a box bay, which gives you an additional 1 to 2 feet. But also this kitchen island. We added this kitchen island, but it is a little bit different. You gotta check out the tour in the description to see what the difference is. But right here, you have a very nice breakfast bar. You can fit 3 to 4 people depending on their size. Adults, you're probably only going to fit about 3 of them. If you have small children, you can easily fit 4 kids at this breakfast bar. Remember, when you're designing a brand new manufactured home, you have many choices you get to choose from in different style kitchen islands. Right here, we do have some extra cabinet space. You can add wine racks, cabinets on the ends. You have so many options. Make sure you ask your manufactured housing expert what those options are and check it out. Look at those soft closing hinges. If you have kids, you're gonna love the soft closing hinges. I got a 10-month-old and even he knows how to slam the cabinets. And look at the durability of these cabinets. They're all hardwood cabinets. Check out the shelving, beautiful hardware, and soft closing. No more banging cabinets. You're gonna see a difference in the colors of the cabinet, the color choices in the cabinets in the previous home we toured. I love the white on white on white with the white cabinets, the white countertops, and the white backsplash. This is a beautiful white tile backsplash. We have plenty of room for this dishwasher. A dishwasher is optional, so if you have a smaller kitchen, you do not need to get this dishwasher. I know for me, my wife and I always wash all of our dishes. It's just the 2 of us. We don't use our dishwasher except for a very rare occasion. We optioned in this single cell stainless steel sink. We have black single cell sinks, white single cell stainless sinks, a little bit of a tongue twister. And here we went with the stainless steel gooseneck faucet with this sprayer. If you go with the standard sink, I still highly encourage you to upgrade the faucet to a gooseneck faucet with sprayer. It is that much better than your standard single lever faucet, but just for $100 more, you get this beautiful gooseneck faucet. We added this stainless steel appliances. Some of our customers like black appliances. And over here, depending on the amperage of your home, how much electricity output you have, you may or may not be able to add a built-in microwave. But in this home, we added this beautiful stainless steel microwave that matches the stove and this refrigerator. And check it out. This is a side-by-side stainless steel refrigerator with an ice and water dispenser. Now we're backing up over here and check out how spacious and high these ceilings are. This is another different option that we added that's different than the home tour with the link in the description. These are 9-foot flat ceilings. If you're a fan of coffer ceilings, you can always add the coffer ceilings. But this, they wanted it to be a little bit more modern, more edges. So tell us what you think of these 9-foot flat ceilings in the comment section. Now we're going to go through the bedrooms really quickly because this part is almost exact to the other home, but you have this very nice large utility room where you can fit a side-by-side washer and dryer, and check it out. It's not very often, but we optioned in hardwood overhead cabinets. There are just so many options you get to choose from when designing a brand new manufactured home. You have all the same options that you have if you were to build a site-built custom home. Now these 2 guest bedrooms, guest bedroom 1 and guest bedroom 2, are good size. You can easily fit a queen size bed, nightstand, and a dresser. Or if you're a fan, then just go ahead and put a full size bed in there. Now this guest bathroom we have different shower heads. So in the other shower head is a black rainforest shower head. We have this brushed nickel. Always, always, always do not forget to add that window over your shower. It just allows so much more natural light. We even add this can light. So we want to make sure that there's plenty of light in the bathroom. Sometimes bathrooms can be really dark. So this is a very nice guest bathroom. Now let's go into the master bedroom. This is a good sized bedroom. We do have floor plans with larger bedrooms. I had somebody mocking us saying, that's a good sized bedroom, but you can fit a king size bed, no problem, nightstands and dressers, and you even have enough room for a nice flat screen TV. Check out this master bathroom. It's very similar again to the home that we just toured, but you'll see some differences in the hardware. We have brushed nickel hardware in this bathroom, beautiful vanity lights, a his and her sink. And look, we even stretched this to include a bank of drawers. A his and her sink with a bank of drawers is everybody's preference. Now, as we go to the left, we have this nice 60-inch walk-in shower. This is your standard walk-in shower. The other video, you're gonna notice that it's a walk-in shower with beautiful gray tile and a black rainforest shower. So tell us which bathroom is your favorite. Do you prefer this bathroom or the master bathroom in the previous video? Thank you so much for watching this home tour. We premiere new manufacturer mobile home and tiny home tours on a weekly basis. We appreciate all the love you can give by hitting that like button. See you in our next tour.